Hey everyone, my name is Carla. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today is the first official day that I'm going back to work since the lockdown, and I can't really say I'm too excited about it, but the one good thing I look forward to is that at least I get to wear proper outfits again. We're not allowed to go further out yet, but the government has kind of eased on the restrictions, so restaurants can now open and we can dine in with protocols in place, so I guess that's another good thing. Today's Wednesday. Not really the best day to start the week with, but we'll go with it. And in this video, I'm just gonna show you the outfits that I'm gonna be wearing throughout the week. Ironically, tomorrow is a public holiday, which means I'll be back staying home for a day. But anyway, that is that. For today's outfit, I'm not really in the mood to wear anything office appropriate yet, so it's super casual. The trousers I got from ACG Nike, which you've seen on my activewear haul if you've seen that video. The t-shirt is from Supreme, and the sneakers are Converse, which is a collaborative pair by Golf LaFleur and Tyler the Creator. We do have an office dress code, but it's not really or strictly enforced, so thankfully I can get away with this look. And this is pretty much what I wore the whole day. Pretty much I just went to the office and then came back right after. So Thursday, like I mentioned, is a holiday today. I decided to just clean up my room because it's a bit of a mess. It's not necessarily dirty, but just needed to reorganize and put my little knickknacks back to where they should be, like accessories, little coins, and I just needed to clear my wallet, get rid of receipts and all that. And since I'm staying home, today's outfit is loungewear.
Today's a particularly warm day, and since I will be lounging around the house, this is today's outfit. Not really a full outfit, but house outfit, okay. And since this whole video is outfits of the week, so I have to show you today's outfit as part of the week's outfits. My trousers are from Forever 21. I got them super long time ago already. As you can see, it already has a hole on it, but it's still super comfortable and breezy, so I'm wearing it today.
Okay, we're back to work on a Friday, and for today's outfit, I'm taking Casual Friday to heart by wearing something, of course, super casual. The jeans are from Bershka. I got them on sale. The top is Forever 21, and both of them are like a really old purchase that I've had in my closet for the longest time. And yeah, I still use them a lot. I also like that these jeans has a very 2000s or millennial feel to it because it's kind of low waist and it's like wide-legged, so it's pretty cool. And the sneakers are Reeboks. This one is also super worn out. As you can see, they're kind of beat up already, but they're like the only decent pair of white sneakers that I have with me at the moment because most of my white sneakers are back home in Macau. I'm also wearing the rings that I pretty much wear every day, essentially rings that represent milestones in my relationship with Pierre. Now, I didn't really dress up on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, which was also a public holiday. I pretty much just stayed home, so I didn't record any of my outfits because they're pretty much just the same loungewear that I was wearing on Thursday. So fast forward to Tuesday, I am wearing this cardigan that I DIY'd. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to check it out. I'm gonna link it in the description box down below for you to watch it. And I'm pairing it with this paper bag trousers, which is also brown. And for my shoes, I'm just going for this Coach sliders. These are pretty much what I wear every single day to the office, so you'll see this a few more times with different outfits in this video. And as for my bag, I'm just going with my trusty old MCM clutch right here. For Wednesday's outfit, I decided to play it up by wearing overalls over a white collar shirt. I also accessorized with large hoop earrings just to make it look a bit more playful, and I'm wearing the same sliders that I was wearing yesterday. I think this look is super cool. It's very me, it's very casual and cool at the same time, presentable for the office because of the white collar shirt. And most of the people in my office are super casual on a daily basis as well, but I think if I were working in a different kind of office setting where I have to wear heels, I think this would really look good with a pair of black heels, a huge ass tote bag, and I think it would look really badass, like boss bitch vibes. Now it's Thursday again, we've circled the week and I can't believe days went by so fast. Today's outfit is kinda colorful. I am wearing this yellow blouse which you've seen in my styling colors lookbook. If you haven't seen that video, again, I'm gonna link it in the description box below for you to go and check it out. And I'm pairing it with this sort of maroonish burgundy-ish trousers, and I'm wearing the same sliders that I'm wearing the previous 2 days. And yeah, this is pretty much my look for today. Like, I honestly didn't do much the whole week, and I just felt like the days went by so fast without me being productive at all. I mean, aside from filming this video obviously and going to work, but I don't know, it's just a bit weird that... But anyway, that is that. At least I'm just happy that I'm able to go out, even if it's just pretty much across the road, because my office is just across the road, and at least I get to dress up and not just lounge around all day, so I guess that's already a good thing. Friday, last work day of the week, and essentially the last look that I'm gonna be showing you guys today. So this is another super casual Friday look. I am wearing this high-waisted Dr. Denim jeans that you've seen quite a few times on this channel, and I'm wearing this Nike jacket as well, which is actually the first time I'm wearing it out since I bought it, because I bought it during quarantine, so I'm really happy about that. And I just use it pretty much like a top. And for my sneakers, I am wearing Vans. These are newly purchased, well, repurchased actually, and I did share a lookbook video which is all about styling these Vans, so if you haven't seen that, make sure to watch it. Again, it's on the description box. So yeah. This is pretty much the end of this Outfits of the Week series. I'm not sure if you like this kind of video format. Let me know in the comment section down below if you do, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you really do like it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. And yeah, I guess I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.